Well, hello. Welcome at Daiso in Seoul, South Korea. Please let me share the following with you. Daiso is a popular Japanese retail chain that sells a wide range of products at affordable prices. Here are some facts about Daiso in Korea. Daiso first opened its doors in Korea in 2009. The first store was located in Myeongdong, Seoul. As of 2021, there are over 1,000 Daiso stores in Korea. The stores can be found in almost every major city in the country. Daiso Korea offers a wide range of products, including household items, stationery, beauty products, snacks, and more. One of the most popular products sold at Daiso Korea is their face masks. The store offers a wide variety of face masks, including sheet masks, clay masks, and more. Daiso Korea is known for its affordable prices. Most products in the store are priced at 1,000 won, less than $1. In addition to its physical stores, Daiso Korea also operates an online store where customers can purchase products and have them delivered to their homes. Daiso Korea has become a popular shopping destination for tourists. Many visitors to Korea make a point to visit Daiso to pick up unique and affordable souvenirs. Overall, Daiso has become an integral part of the Korean retail landscape, offering a convenient and affordable shopping experience for locals and visitors alike. Main difference with Japan is that in Japan, Daiso stores offer a wider range of products, including fresh produce, groceries, and household items, while in other countries, the focus may be more on general merchandise such as home decor, stationery, and beauty products.